am Sushil. I am studying in St. Patrick Metric High Secondary School and I am studying in 9th standard. I am from SP Robotics SP Robotics Puducherry. I have created an app for NCRC competition.
This is the first page of my home screen and the safety rules for shopping. And there are two products for mobile and laptop. Mobile, so Vivo, and we can see the tempered glass, tempered glass for Vivo, and charger and earphones, and Oppo, tempered glass, charger, so that's all, and Samsung, tempered glass and earphones. So now for laptop, Lenovo i9 and i7, the new generation laptops for sale. Next Dell, for Dell and HP. So when we click this order button, we can see thank you for order.
Thank you for watching my video guys and bye.